Hi, this is Sarness English Quiz channel and welcome. We have 10 questions for you in this quiz and you have 5 seconds for each question. You may pause the video if you need more time. Choose the correct spelling. Question number 1. That was really unnecessary to watch us over. And the correct answer was D. Question number 2. I always use my calendar to schedule my plans. And D was the correct answer. Question number 3. He hoped to reach an accommodation with the new owners. And the correct answer was B. Let's see the next one. Question number 4. I accidentally cut her finger. And C was the correct answer, as you've probably selected. Question number 5. Since it was his birthday, we tried to surprise him. This was very easy, guys, and you've selected C correctly. Question number 6. I hated that song from the beginning. And the correct answer was A. Question number 7. He acted so weird in front of my parents. And B was the correct answer. Excellent. Question number 8. They were afraid of the 12th athlete. And the correct answer was B. Question number 9. Mark fought with a weaker opponent. And C was the correct answer. And the last question. I definitely smell alcohol of his breath. And you've done right. The correct answer was A. How many questions did you answer correctly? Share your score in comments and compete with others. Thank you for liking and subscribing us.